Renue Systems is the leading provider of deep cleaning services to the hospitality industry. We help a wide variety of properties increase their RevPAR, better utilize their labor force, and improve their guest scores. We do so by assisting hotels with challenging yet important restorative cleaning projects, ranging from soft surfaces, such as carpets, drapes, and upholstery cleaning, to hard surfaces, tile and grout, vinyl composite and luxury vinyl tile, engineered wood, marble, and other natural stone restoration and polishing, to special situations, addressing smoking, cooking and pet rooms, malodors, stains, PTAC units, and small floods, to unique needs, mattress recycling or installation, chandelier and escalator cleaning, linen chute inspection and cleaning, and more. Since our founding in 1991, we have focused almost exclusively on the hospitality industry, so we have developed a deep understanding of the needs of our customers. With offices across the U.S. and in a growing number of other countries, we provide responsive, quality service, forming a true partnership with our customers. This structure helps us achieve our mission to make shine the people and places that deeply care about improvement.